After logging into the GCFX portal, you can find Send Money on the left menu bar. If you want to do FX conversion and keep the converted funds in your GCFX account for later use, please select Own GCFX account. Select the FX pairs and conversion amount. If you do not have sufficient balance in your GCFX account, you will need to fund in. KVB account will be the default payment method, and no fees will be charged. Enter the promotion code, if available. Provide the purpose of the transaction and click Next to proceed. This payment details page provides an overview of your entire FX instruction. You can review the fund in method, transaction currency and amount, FX rates, and purpose of the transaction. If all the information is correct, please click Confirm Payment to send the payment order. We will assist in settling the payment right away.